I know Claudia Winkleman's been around, she's not new, but I love that she's having like a moment. Yeah.
Ti'n gwybod y BAFTAs, a bob blwyddyn maen nhw'n gwneud gwobr presenters, a bob blwyddyn mae Ant and Dec yn ennill e. A dim byd yn erbyn nhw.
Maen nhw'n stuff yn erbyn nhw, please.
Oh, really?
I like them, they're great, but fi fel, how are they winning this? Is it public vote?
Fi'n siŵr.
Pa panel or industry experts still think it's okay to vote to...
Ond maen nhw'n dda ar job nhw.
Yeah, but there's other people that are just as good. They don't need 20 years worth of an award.
Wel, dyma ni. Come on, Winkleman.
Did he meddwl, pryd ma fel enni?
No idea.
Oh, and I thought like it's coming up.
On surely.
I don't bloody know, because the patriarchy is strong.
Yeah, but Winkleman's stronger.
I love that as like a general tagline.
Winkleman jumper. Strong. The patriarchy's strong, but Winkleman's stronger.
Okay, official public babe merch. I'll design it, we'll drop it.
Queen.